Scalpel under ultraviolet light. Another cover blown in the neon night. Sirens in the distance. Lyra, are you listening? White coat stained with obsidian's grease. Hide in the mole from the Stygian police. I patch up the goons while I steal their files. Trading my secrets for my sister's smiles. Under the violet sky we plot the escape. Cutting the ties of this corporate tape. Stygian breathing right down my neck. Evacuating Onyx Gen Tech. Two sides of the same bloody coin. Lyra and Vesper, it's time to join. I've got the medicine, you've got the badge. Running together on the neon edge. I check the vitals, the system is dead. Tracing the signals where the copper bled. They found the incision, they know I'm a spy. I hold the syringe while I look to the sky. Don't close the file, don't turn the page. I'm breaking out of this corporate cage. Hold the line, sister, hold the line. Nova Siberia will see us shine. I'm a fox in the dark, a surgeon in flight. We're taking them down in the purple light. Scalpel stays ready.